Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saint-Basil-le-Grand local and long-distance movers near me. Getting a good cheap Saint-Basil-le-Grand moving company can make a big difference. 3 Movers offers affordable rates and plenty of moving services to help you. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services for residential and commercial moves. Our team knows how to make your relocation much easier. If it's time to take care of a long-distance move, you need the right services to help you. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Get the right team of movers for your relocation with us. Our long-distance movers know how to get you to your new location without all the stress. Let us show you how much easier moving can be. A Canada moving company can make your local moves so much easier. Without professional movers to help, it can become tiring and time-consuming to move. Even a short move is a lot of work for most people. 3 Movers offers the right options to make your local move simple. We streamline the process and save you time along the way. If you want to move faster and easier, we are the right team for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Basil-le-Grand moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.